downtown when the clock is a child in 11. She's having so much fun. She's getting closer to heaven. And time to give her a pill filled with happiness and thrill. And now the wolf is dead, and she really won't hold my head.
Hey, we just got to Iceland. We're really excited. We invited about 200 of our friends to fly on out and come check out our data centers. We got a couple buses here. We're going to pack everyone in, go check out the data center, the Bitcoin mine, where we process all these Bitcoin and blockchain transactions around the world. And then we're going to have a big lunch, and then we're going to head up the Blue Lagoon. So it should be a good day. Bitlopp! Bitlopp!
Hey guys, I'm G-Live from Malaysia.
My name is Lori Warshaw. I live in San Diego, California.
My name is Mike. I'm from Calgary, Canada.
Well, my name is Joey Zavalakis. I am from tropical island on Guam.
Hey there, this is Kevin Tapino. I am in Reykjavik, Iceland. And what's going on is Bitcoin, baby.
To be honest with you, I'm super excited and fired up.
I am fortunate enough to be part of the BitClub network, which means I mine Bitcoin.
Been living on Bitcoin since November 26, 2014.
You're either the needle or the thread.
Get on the board!
So, we just made it to the data center. We just had our tour to check out all of our equipment. We got lots of team members with us, and it's pretty exciting to actually see all the machines at work 24/7 right here in Iceland. So this is an Antminer. This is the S5. When we started, it was the S3s, the S5s, to the S7s, to the S9s. So this tech keeps getting faster and the chip's smaller and more efficient. I think this is the 28 nanometer chip. We now have 16 nanometer chips. And by the time you guys are watching this, we might even have like 10 nanometer chips. So it gets smaller, faster, more efficient, less electricity, and these things just crank away. There's thousands and thousands of these things in this data center here. And as you can see, you gotta have a fan because it creates a lot of heat. But this is basically it. This is a machine that prints money. Literally, this is a machine that prints money in the form of Bitcoin. It helps us process all the Bitcoin and blockchain transactions all around the world. It all happens here. So it turned out to be a pretty successful day. We made it to the data center with about 200 people. We had 4 buses full, and the weather turned out to be pretty awesome. Great lunch, and everyone's so excited. Iceland, I'd say, was a home run. Now it's off to New Hampshire to Porkfest.